AI is the greatest tool humanity has ever built. But if you use it blindly, you're walking right into a minefield of bias and risk. The biggest danger isn't the tech itself, it's the historical bias baked into its training data. Garbage in, garbage out. Don't just ask AI to do the work. Use it as a co-pilot, verifying everything, especially when dealing with sensitive information. Before you hit enter, run through this quick 3-step check. It will save your reputation and your data. Remember that ultimate responsibility always lands back on you. You are the final filter. Every prompt you enter is data. Be mindful that by sharing information with AI, you are granting access to your digital footprint. Don't just focus on getting the answer. Focus on validating the answer, that's where your real value is. The overwhelming majority of AI-generated content is not ready for prime time. It needs a highly skilled editor, you. AI is brilliant at pattern matching. But it can't replicate genuine human experience or empathy. Always run a verification loop. This is how you turn raw output into publishable, trustworthy content. Remember this motto. AI is an amplifier of human intent. Make sure that intent is ethical and thoughtful. The most successful professionals won't be those who use AI the best. They'll be those who master the ethics alongside the technology. Before you share or publish anything AI-generated, ask these 3 questions. Seriously. Start applying these ethical guardrails today. Hit like if this helped you stay ahead of the curve, and subscribe for more tech deep dives.